Hi, Alegre here, checking out my little garden that I made from really just kitchen waste, the tops of carrots and cut up some potatoes that were starting to sprout. And the time to harvest potatoes is when the foliage starts dying back. Now, I could probably wait a little bit longer, but I was starting to see the tops. You can start seeing them popping up. So I'm gonna harvest these potatoes because I'm just curious to see what I even have in this. I mean, it's a tiny little planter. This was garlic. Here's some carrots. Here's some beets. I think that the potato leaves were so big that they were actually stunting the growth of the beets and the carrots. So I'm wanting to remove these leaves so that I can give more light to those plants. So let's see how many potatoes I have. There's one. Oh, look at the little itty bitty. So cute. That'll be a good one to save to replant. Some more itty bitties. Trying not to disturb the other plants because I don't think they've grown much. I checked out one of these carrots earlier and it looked like it had done hardly anything. So hopefully now that the potato leaves are gone, some of these other ones can take off. Yeah, this was just an experiment. I've never planted vegetables in anything as dense as a pot like this, but just wanted to see what was possible. Oh, here's a really itty bitty one. Oh my gosh, it's so little. Oh, wow, some more over here. I'm gonna have to put these somewhere. Let's see, here's what I'm finding. I don't know if you can see. You want to make sure that your potatoes don't get exposed to sunlight because they actually will develop a chemical in them that it's not, some people are more sensitive to than others, but I had a friend who once got really sick from eating potatoes that had turned green because they'd been exposed to light. It's so interesting how, I mean, it's all perfectly formed tomato potatoes, and I had put in, the potatoes I had put in had been cut up. It's interesting how, like, there's not any cut up piece. The cut up piece has been completely transformed into whole potatoes. Wow. Wow, there's so many more than I expected. I feel like I'm gonna mess up this planter doing this. Oh well, I'm gonna try. Oh, there's another itty bitty one. See how small it is? So cute. This is all potato plant over here. Oh, there's a little bit. See, look, there's a rotten bit of potato that I had planted that I guess didn't do well. So that one did not sprout, did not turn into anything. And you can see this carrot has not turned into anything. I think it was getting blocked sunlight wise, but maybe if I replant it now. Another little itty bitty. Oh, another one. Oh, another. God, they're just so cute. It's amazing the way nature multiplies. I mean, I'm easily getting probably, I think I put one cut up potato in here. Uh-oh. I'm probably getting 400% return, 500% return. It's so cool. One more potato plant in there. Wow, I never would have thought I would get this many potatoes. I probably could have left them to grow a little bit more, but I'll leave the other ones. I have a couple other pots going. But I'm excited to see what came up. I'm harvesting the potatoes. I can't believe how many we got. That's incredible. Okay, well, I don't want to dig everything else up, so I'm just gonna stop here, put this carrot back, put this carrot back, see if those do anything. I actually have a beet I can add here. See if that beet will grow. And I need to figure out when I can harvest these garlic, because I don't really know. I've never tried this before. But, ta-da! Lots of potatoes. I cannot believe how many potatoes we've got out of this. Such a cool experiment. Be a spark in the world.